Hey guys, it's your girl Kim again. I'm back with another video. It is another review on Maxiglide. I feel like I did not do a very good job on the last video. This time I tried to make sure I had better shots of how the product was used in my hair with better zooms and different angles. So hopefully this time it gives you a better idea of how the product works. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification button. That way, anytime I upload any new videos, you guys are updated. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and let's get started. You guys, thanks again for watching my video, and once again I apologize that I am not uploading as often as I would like. Right now I am a full-time college student and right now that's my focus, but I promise later on I will upload better videos for you guys, and making videos more often will be the new priority. Until next time, bye!